This is day one of trying to make a YouTube backdrop out of something that I already have here. We do need to go to the store to get some stuff to make it. Obviously, I'm not ready, so let's get ready and then we'll go to the store, get some cute little things to go on it, and yeah. It is like 105 degrees outside today, but because I'm just running an errand, I really think I just want to wear like a baggy shirt. So I have this one. It's supposed to be really big. What better to wear with that than just leggings, because it's easy. For shoes, I think I'm just gonna go simple. These are easy to slide on. They match the red on my shirt, so whatever. This is what that outfit looks like. Nothing special. Now it is time to do my makeup. Yeah, I'll be right back. Now I'm having difficulty deciding, I did my makeup. I did it really natural. I'm just running errands, I don't really care. And I threw up my hair. So what I'm having difficulty deciding is, this is my library, obviously. There's some stuff that needs to be figured out, but I'm having trouble deciding where I want my backdrop to go. This room has the better lighting. It's not great. This is the lighting that was in here when we moved in, but it's much better than the next option I'm gonna show you. So this is the first option. Ignore the buckets and stuff. It's from my husband's fish tank. So that wall is the first option. It might be my favorite option right now just because the lighting, and it's in a room that I use a lot. So the next option, you're gonna see the lighting is awful. This is about as bright as the light goes and it looks terrible. And the orange of the couch, I'll show you what colors I'm thinking, doesn't really go with the vibe that I want, but I could always move this couch into a different room. But it is my office and it is the couch that my puppies use to lay down when I'm working, so it's not ideal. You're really gonna have to keep an open mind with this next room. It is in the middle of being moved into a different room for various reasons. We call it our storage room right now, but it is the biggest room. We do want to turn it into a theater room though, so I'm not sold on making this my backdrop because we do want to get a projector for this room, so I don't want to take up space in here. Definitely is the biggest and most empty room. Right now it's all just storage stuff from when we moved in, so it is a really big wall, but I think it's too big and it's too much to fill, and yeah. Here is the final fit check. Super simple. I just want to be comfortable out running errands. So let's go. I think I'm gonna try Target and Five Below because I live right near both of those. I just don't know which one to go to first. I think I'm gonna try Five Below first and then go to Target and we'll see. Show you what we're working with. These are the 4 colors that we got for something that we're doing in our room. So because I already have them, I think I'm just going to use these. I'm leaning towards doing like a 2-toned, this the main color and this the second color, but I'm not sure. The orange may look pretty too, so yeah, I don't know. We'll see what we find today, and I guess that'll help me decide. So I just got almost everything I needed from Five Below for under $60, so that's exciting. I'll show you what I got when we get back to the house, but we're gonna go to Target still and see what they have and then go home. I'm back. So I think I got pretty lucky. I'm gonna do like a little haul really fast and then actually need to go paint the dresser itself because the dresser is the centerpiece of the whole background. So without that, none of this is worth it. So Let's start with Five Below. One thing I got is this little basket. At Five Below, all the stuff I'm about to show you, I spent less than $60 on, which is pretty nice. So I got this. I also got a little rug to go under the seat that I'm gonna put in there. It was only $5. I think it's really cute. It goes with the colors. This is also helping me decide what colors I want to do out of those 4 that I showed. I got this because I felt like it matched the vibe. I've never designed anything in this vibe before, like the boho kind of vibe, because my husband and I tend to go more modern, but I thought it'd be a really cute backdrop just with everything I was seeing there. I got this little tray just because it was cute. It was one of the first things I saw. Gold picture frame. I think I'm gonna keep this in there for now. Otherwise I might make my own. I just thought this was cute. It's a little succulent holder and it's rainbow. I just needed this in general. It's a little phone mount. I got some fairy lights in like a rose gold color. I've never burned incense, but it smelled really good in the store, so I got an incense burner, and I got 4 different incense. I know they're all in like the vanilla warmy scents, just because that's what I like. I got this little like LED paper lantern. And the last thing I got is a wall shelf. So it has like the little cute gold shelf holders. Then I went, so all of that was under $60, which is nice. Then I went to Target, and I want to say I spent like $30 for the room at Target. So I spent under $100 for the whole thing. So, oh, this is also from Five Below. I forgot about this. So this is from Five Below. From Target, I got a fake plant. I was hoping it could go in like the lantern or something. I went to like the dollar spot at Target, and I got these gold face things. This white little rolly tray. Glass little cups. This super cute mirror. They had a circle one too, but I decided to go with the leaf one just for texture. A little throw blanket that I'm gonna throw over the chair to make it match a little bit better. And the last thing, some wall mounts, so hopefully I don't have to nail all of this up. A lot of it is really light, like this is really light, so we'll see. Now we have to go do the dresser. So I think the colors, let me see. Okay, so based on what I got, I think I'm gonna go more nude. So I was thinking this color before, but I just think it's a little bit too much. So I think I might do these two. I think I might do terracotta as the main color and these as the doors. I have this option as well, but maybe I'll do this for the legs, I'm not sure. But I think I'm pretty set on these two. They match almost everything that I got, so I think it'd be really complimentary. So yeah, now you get to watch that. Okay, so I have finished painting it. I'm just waiting for it to fully dry. Now I'm gonna screw a few pieces back together because there are bits of it falling apart. I'm gonna really clean out the inside. And then I have, from when we moved in, I have a bunch of extra little gold knobs. So I think I'm gonna replace those wood ones with these gold ones and see how it looks. So I totally switched up which wall I wanted to do. I decided that the wall that was a mess in the library was a much better option. So here is me moving all of the pops in order to transform it. This is how it's looking right now. I don't know how I feel about the chair there. I just finished painting that. I'm hot. It's 105 degrees outside. I just spent like the last 2 hours outside doing this. So when I start something, I just want to finish. So we're gonna get to decorating and then I'll decide what I want to do with the rest of this area because obviously I don't have my tripod set up right now, but yeah. I don't think I like the chair there, but we'll see if I move things around what I think about it. Enjoy this time lapse of me setting this whole area up. Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, all I want. I'm done. I can't believe I did it in a day. Oh my gosh. Hi. Yeah, here's my new backdrop. I hope you guys like it. I will link everything that I can find in the description, but the cabinet I just found on the street somewhere. Someone was getting rid of it for like $5, so I bought it a few months ago. Never knew what to do with it, but here it is. So I hope you like it. I really, really, really like it. It's really outside of what I usually do, but I love it. Say bye, Nacho. Say bye. Bye.